Ngesikhathi eqala ukwethula ubufakazi, u-Advocate Shamila Batohi uthe ngesikhathi okwenzeka ngaso lamacala okusolwa kuwo u-Henry Chauke yena wayengakaqokwa njengenhloko yaleli hhovisi.
All of these events that took place were before I took office. I was out of the country for almost 10 years. And so I have no personal knowledge of any of the matters that are referred to or the subject of this particular inquiry.
Uthi istatemende esenziwe u-Advocate Thembeka Ngcukaithobi izolo sokuthi uChauke akanaqala kungenzeka ukuba siqonde ukuvikela omunye wosombusazwe.
I do want to deal with one issue that Advocate Ngcukaithobi mentioned yesterday. He said that the case is legally defective and dangerously, I repeat dangerously, seeks to punish a prosecutor for exercising lawful prosecutorial decision. Chairperson, members of the panel, this cannot be further from the truth in this matter. It appears to protect someone from being prosecuted when there was strong evidence in the matter.
uBatohi uthi iNPA angeke isebenze ngendlela efanele uma usombusazwe kanye nezinye inhlaka iziqhambukela ekusebenzeni kwayo.
We cannot fulfill our constitutional mandate if our decisions are vulnerable to pressure, direction, influence from external actors, be it from politicians, from the rich, from the powerful, from the private sector, the media, or civil society.
uChauke wamiswa emsebenzini ngoNtulikazi ngemuva kokuthi uBatohi efake isikhalo kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kanti lesigcawu sikaNkabinde sasungulwa umengameli ngoMandulo. U-Advocate Chauke uphenya ngeziqumo ayithatha ekhoxisweni kwamaqala okukhona kuwo nelalibhekene nowabe eyinhloko yezobunhloli ku-SAPS uRichard Mdluli owayebhekene necala lokubulawa kuka-Oupa Ramogibe, ukushushiswa kowabe eyinhloko yamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Johan Booysen namalungu ophiko oluphenya amacala ahleliwe aseCater Manor kanye nezinye izinsolo. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.